the cool blue light.
Hey guys, my name is Sky, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the wavy text effect. So for today's video, we are going to need the apps Fonto and Megaphoto. But before we start the video, I just want to say that the steps to do the wavy text effect will be on the left side of the screen. The reason why I did this is because I thought that it would be easier for you guys to follow along during the tutorial. Now let's continue with the video. What we are going to do first is we are going to click on the app Fonto. Once we're on this app, we are going to click on the little icon of the camera. Now I'm going to click on plain image, and you could either choose black or white, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to go to the top, and for the width, I am going to choose 1280, and for the height, I am going to choose 720. Now these numbers are important because it actually gives you like the shape and dimensions of the actual screen, which has to be those numbers because that's the screen of the YouTube screen for videos. And now I'm just going to choose color. You could leave it black, or I'm just going to choose yellow because I just want that color. So then I'm going to click on apply. I'm going to go to the top right corner, and I am going to use and save this just in case I want to edit it, so I save it. Now I'm going to tap on the screen and I'm going to click on add text. Now I'm just going to write my name. You guys could write anything you want. If you want this font, it's very popular. It's called Keep On Trucking, and I like to use like the aesthetic type of fonts for this type of animation because it kind of goes with the vibe. So Keep On Trucking is really good for this. Another good one is Already On Fonto, and all you need to do is you gotta go to the H section and put Helvetica, and I like the one that's slanted, so bold or oblique, but I'm going to stick with the Keep On Trucking. Now this font won't be on Fonto, so what you would have to do is you have to download it, and if you want to download fonts, then just watch my video on it to teach you how. Now I'm going to click on style, I am going to go to stroke, and I am going to darken it. And stroke is really nice because it helps the words pop out if you don't want the actual text to be a super crazy color. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and once you have it how you want it, I'm just going to center it, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the bottom right corner, and I'm going to click on the button save image, which screenshots it for you, and click OK. Okay, so once you have that, you are going to go to that Megaphoto. You are going to click on that, and this app is really good because it adds many effects on any type of video or picture you have, not just text. So I'm going to click on that, and then what I am going to do is I am going to go to the number 300. Now 300 is right here, and it has many different types of effects for you, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the little button right near the big circle, and I am going to go to the above that, and now I'm going to click on the picture that we just saved, which is right here. Now I am going to go to done, and then I'm going to go to the button that's like a V shape, and then we have many different types of wavy effects. So this is 300, and you could like make it less crazy. This is 301, 302, 303. There's many effects of waves, but the one that I like to use is 305, which is the one that's going actually like a wave motion, like up and down. And you could change like how it is, so you want it to start there, the bump, then it goes the opposite way, but I'm just going to keep it how it was, like that. And then what you could do is you could click on the button again that was a V, but now it's upside down, and now we are going to click on this button, which is the adjust button, and we are going to make the speed a little bit bigger. And while we're also doing this, we could also change how the actual screen looks, and the contrast and the saturation to make it more colorful looking. Okay, so once you have this, what you would do is you would just screen record this by swiping on the right and clicking on the screen record button. Now, the button is the red circle, but for you guys, it will probably be just gray colored since I'm using the screen record button right now. But yeah, you could screen record it since this app costs money, so you would just have to screen record it real quick. If you guys don't know how to screen record, make sure to watch my video I made on it. It's called How to Screen Record on an iOS 11, iPhone, and iPad. So let me do that right now. Okay, so now that we screen recorded it, this is optional, so I just added iMovie as the app right now, because if you don't want to buy the app and buy the actual complete pack, what you would have to do is screen record it. So if you did buy it, you wouldn't have to go to iMovie, but if you didn't, you would just go to iMovie, go to the plus sign, go to movie, and click on the screen recording that you just did. So this is what I screen recorded just now. So I'm just going to split the thing in half, or you could trim it to where you stop screen recording, and then this would be your screen. And what you would do is you would click on it, go to the top right corner of the magnifying glass, and zoom in to the screen. And now you have this. And if you think that it was too slow, you could just make the speed bigger and it'll be faster. So yeah guys, once you have that, you will go to done and you will go here to the middle button on the bottom and go to save video. Click 720, and then once it exports, you will have your wavy text effect already. So this is the final product. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoy this video and hopefully you learn now how to do the wavy text effect that many YouTubers use. Now if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, please leave a like, and please comment down below whether you enjoyed it, whether you learned it, or any other video suggestions on what you want me to do next. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so then you'll never miss out on a video. And yeah guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys, hope you have a great summer.